Friends, given problem is prove that integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of tan theta d theta is equal to 1 by 2 times of gamma 1 by 4 gamma 3 by 4 is equal to pi root 2 by 2. Of course, pi by root 2 also you can say. Now we have to prove this one, means this is in special function of beta or gamma. This is a beta function only, not a gamma function, because you don't have a e to the power of minus x terms, and moreover it is in trigonometric form. Friends, you see tan is nothing but what you have the formula. You have to convert into beta of m comma n is nothing but we have to use some formulas. Tan theta is equal to we have sin theta by cos theta. So here this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of tan theta is sin theta by cos theta d theta. This is, you can also write as integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin theta divided by square root of cos theta d theta. Now square is nothing but 1 by 2 na power. If it is in the numerator, that is power 1 by 2. But if it is in the denominator, what you have? So in this case sin theta power 1 by 2 I am writing. In the denominator you have na, so cos theta power minus 1 by 2 I am writing into d theta. Friends, okay, we have a formula for this. Now with beta of m comma n we have in formula in terms of sine and cosine. Beta of m comma n is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power of 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Okay, now you observe both are like 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2 sine power something cos power something. So this is which value means here beta of m comma n. So this value you can write in terms of m comma n. So for this you find out m comma n. Now compare on both sides. 2m minus 1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 sine only power 2m minus 1 what you have 1 by 2. So 2m is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So m is equal to here you have 3 by 4. Similarly 2n minus 1 find out. 2n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 2n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but only 1 by 2. Then in this case n is equal to what? 1 by 2 times of 2 is nothing, sorry, 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 4. Now m is over, m and n over. So this is equal to what you can get. The given problem is, again I am writing integral from 0 to pi by 2 square root of tan theta d theta, tan theta, otherwise sin theta by cos theta. Given problem is tan theta only. This is equal to beta of m comma n. What is the beta here? Actually you see friends, here you have 2. But is there 2 here? No. So you can get 1 by 2 times of beta of m comma n. So 1 by 2 times of beta is beta, m is 3 by 4, n is 1 by 4. Clear? Now we have to use the relation between beta and gamma for this to get the first one. Okay. Now what is the relation between beta and gamma? We have beta of m comma n is equal to gamma m gamma n by gamma of m plus n. This proof is also important and the application also very important. Like these type of the problems they are asking in the exams regularly. Now what is m here? You have 3 by 4, that is gamma 3 by 4, and you have n is 1 by 4 divided by gamma of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is again, this is equal to gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 by 4 by 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 is LCM, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Gamma 1 is what? 1 only na? 0 factorial, nothing but 1. So this is what value? Here you have integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of tan theta d theta. Of course here you have, this is a 2 times of, which is 1 by 2 times of, sorry, 1 by 2 times of this value. Now you observe 1 by 2 times of 3, gamma 3 by 4, gamma 1 by 4. Got it? Yes. But you need to prove again this one. How to prove? Means you have another formula. What is that formula? Means you see friends, we have gamma of 1 minus n into gamma n is equal to pi by sin n pi. Pi by sin n pi. This is the formula we have. Now we have to convert this one into this form. You see how you can use gamma 1 is 1, no need to write na. Gamma 3 by 4 you can write 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. But will you write 1 by 4 as a 1 minus 3 by 4? No. Yes or no? So in this case, this will be gamma of 4 minus 1 means 3 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. Now you observe 1 minus n gamma n, gamma 1 minus n gamma n, that is you can get 1 by 2 times of pi by sin n pi. What is n here? You have 1 by 4, pi by 4. So 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 2. Next, what is the sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So here you have pi root 2 by 2. Simply pi by root 2 also you can write, but these are surds now, so better to write in the numerator. So this is enough. Pi root 2 by 2. See, this one only now you have to prove. Yes. Is it clear for everyone? Friends, to solve this one, what we have to do means write tan theta in terms of sine and cosine and use the formula beta of m comma n in trigonometric form. How you will get this trigonometric form means generally you have beta of m comma n is 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 m minus 1 and x to the power of m minus 1 is there. So there you substitute x is equal to sine square theta, then you will get this formula. Okay. Next, from this use the relation between beta of m comma n and gamma m comma n. Sorry, the relation between beta and gamma, and then we have to use gamma of 1 minus n, gamma n is equal to pi by sin n pi formula. Then you will get the solution. Friends, is it clear for everyone? Thank you for watching this video.